the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced lecture. In this lecture, I will solve exercise number 1.2, question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That is most relevant for paper's point of view. So let's start. Simplify the following: 7, 9 plus 3 minus 5. So 7, 9 plus 3, minus 5 can also be written in order pair form, that is 7 plus 9 iota plus 3 minus 5 iota. So separating real and imaginary part, that is 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Plus 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So 10 plus 4 iota can also be written in the form of 10, 4. Question number 7, that is 8, minus 5 minus into minus 7, 4. So 8, minus 5, so minus 7, 4. So multiplying minus sign, that is 8 minus 5 iota minus into minus 7 plus 4 iota. So 8 minus 5 iota minus multiplying plus minus 4 iota. So 8 plus 7 equal to 15, minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 iota. So 15 minus 9 iota is equal to 15 minus 9. Next question number 8, that is 2, 6 into 3, 7. 2, 6 can also be written in complex form, that is 2 plus 6 iota into 3 plus 7 iota. So multiply 2 3 times 6 plus 7 2 times 14 plus 6 3 times 18 iota plus 7 iota, multiply 6 iota is equal to 42 iota square. 14 iota plus 18 iota is equal to 32 iota plus 42 iota square is equal to minus 42. So 6 minus 42 is equal to minus 36 plus 32 iota. So can also be written in the form of minus 36, 32. Next question number 9, that is 5 minus 4 minus 4 into minus 3 minus 2. So it can also be written in complex form, that is 5 minus 4 iota into minus 3 minus 2 iota. By multiplying each term, that is 5 3 times 15 minus 50 minus 10 iota minus multiply minus plus 12 iota minus multiply minus plus 4 2 times 8 iota square. So iota square is equal to minus 1 minus 10 iota plus 12 iota is equal to plus 2 iota minus 15 minus 8 minus 23 plus 2 iota is equal to minus 23, 2. Next question number 10, that is 0, 3 into 0, 5. So 0, 3 can also be written in complex form, that is 0 plus 3 iota into 0 plus 5 iota. So next 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 15 iota square is equal to minus 1, 0 minus 15 iota. So minus 15 plus 0 iota is equal to minus 15, 0, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.